The sheet metal bend allowance calculator determines the precise measurements needed when bending sheet metal to achieve accurate finish dimensions. Let's look at the input fields. First, enter your material thickness T in the thickness field. Next, input the bend radius R in the radius field. Then specify your bend angle A in the angle field. Finally, there's the K-factor field, which has a default value of 0.33, representing the neutral axis location as a percentage of material thickness. For this demonstration, I'll calculate using a material thickness T of 10 units, a bend radius R of 10 units, a bend angle A of 10 degrees, and the default K-factor of 0.33. After clicking Calculate Bend Allowance, we get three critical results. The bend allowance equals 2.3213, which is the arc length of the neutral axis through the bend. The bend deduction equals 1.1783, showing how much to subtract from your flat pattern dimensions. The flat length equals 6.3213, giving you the total flat pattern measurement needed before bending. This calculator streamlines your sheet metal fabrication process. Find the link in the description below.